Hi guys, I hope you had an awesome weekend. Today is Monday, May 4th, and may the 4th be with you. I want to talk to you a little bit about your lessons for today. So let's check it out. A couple of notes. Number one, this week, based on parents' feedback and things I've noticed in my own home, there will only be one writing assignment this week. I'm going to introduce it today. You can either do it today, do it any day this week in its entirety, or you can start today and do a little bit each day so it's not so overwhelming. Whatever works best for you and your family. Also, this week, the reading standard is new. This is the reading standard that I will be taking a grade on. I have lessons for every day this week, and Thursday will be an online assessment, and I will tell you about that on Thursday. These are the spelling words for the week: lamb, wrong, calf, no, new, and right. And we'll be exploring different silent consonant words. So that's what we're going to be working on this week in phonics. This is our last phonics unit. So today, you're going to watch this introductory video. I'll place it here when I'm finished with it. You will watch the last phonics video, not the last video, but the last in this series. So today is day 1. There will be 4. You'll do an episode of Headsprout. In reading, you are going to begin with our new standard, which is teaching how words and pictures both give readers information. That lesson is right here, so you'll click on it. It's about 5 minutes long. In that lesson, it will ask you to complete an activity. Now, I have placed the activity down here, and it says Monday, and it has the activity. You can either print it out, or you can just write down the answers in your notebook, whatever works best for you. And I explain more about that activity in the reading video. I also have today, I have the writing assignment here, and that is writing an informational piece about plants. Make sure to include both what plants need and parts of a plant. I talk more about that activity right here in this video, but if you need more information, you can't remember all the parts of a plant, I've put a little video here as a reminder for you. And if you can't remember all the needs of a plant, I put a little video right here for you. I know it's a lot of videos on this day. I wanted to make the reading video separate from the Good Morning video, so you could go to it or watch it again and again if you need to. I also wanted to make the writing video separate in case you didn't want to do it today and wanted to do it a different day or needed to come back to that video. I made it separate for you here. Also, if you do not have to send me the reading activity in a picture, because tomorrow my reading lesson will go over any of the questions. So I hope you have a great day learning, guys. As always, just send me an email if you need me, and I'll be happy to help.